How to link device on WhatsApp Business. To link a device on WhatsApp Business, such as a computer or a secondary phone or tablet, follow these simple and clear steps. First of all, on your primary phone where WhatsApp Business is installed, all you have to do is open the WhatsApp Business and make sure that you are signed in to your WhatsApp account. Once inside the WhatsApp Business, simply tap on the settings at the bottom right corner of your screen. And if you are using the Android, then tap on the three dot at the top right corner. Then once inside the settings, scroll down and there you will get to see link device option available. Simply tap on it. Now once you tap on the link device, tap on the link a device and authenticate with your phone's PIN, fingerprint or Face ID. A QR code scanner will open. Now, all you have to do is on the device you want to link, example PC, Mac or web browser, go to the webwhatsapp.com or download the WhatsApp desktop app from the official website and you will see a QR code on the screen. Scan the QR code and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.